Hi and welcome back to the channel. Here we are going through a housing estate and the speed limit in this road is 20 mile an hour. The lane is currently doing about 19 mile an hour down this section of road. A little bit under the 20 mile an hour speed limit. But as you can see up ahead, the road kind of goes a bit weird. Basically it separates the traffic by way of these yellow bollards with the keep left sign. Watch what the car behind us now. 20 mile an hour zones aren't for them, so now they're driving completely down the wrong side of the road just to get past us on the road. Let me know what you think of this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.